Hello, today we're going to do lesson 21, average. Remember that average is the sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So let's look at the first example. It says find the average of 50, 20, 35, and 63. So first what we have to do is add all of the numbers, and then we have to divide by the amount of numbers, which in this case we have 4 numbers, so we have to divide by 4. If we add that, we get 168, and then we have to divide 168 divided by 4 to find the average, which in this case is going to be 42. So the average of those numbers is 42. The next example says find the average of 100, 231, and 51. So we're going to do the same. We're going to add all those 3 numbers, and then we're going to divide them, in this case divided by 3 because there are only 3 numbers. If we add that, we get 382 divided by 3. Now in this case, 382 is not divisible by 3, so we're going to get a decimal, but that is okay. So in this case, the average is 127 and 3/10. In the next example, they give us the average of 4 numbers, which is 20. So if I have my formula, say average is the sum over the number of numbers, they're telling me that the average is 20, and the sum we don't know, but we know that there are 4 numbers. And they give us 3 of those numbers, the 4, the 28, and the 16. And we don't know what is the other number, so we'll put an X there for a variable. So how do I find that X? Just solve that equation like any other equation we've done. So the 4, that is dividing everything, needs to go to multiply. So 4 times 20 is 80. And then we add those 3 numbers. So that's going to be 48. Now the 48 is adding to the X, so it has to go to subtract. So 80 minus 48 is going to be X. And that is 32. So the 4th number has to be 32, so that if we add all of those and divide by 4, we get 20 to be the average. And that's it. Average is really, really easy. I hope you guys understood, and if you have any questions, let me know.